This video shows you how to set up a website on your computer. If you use a server creator called MAMP, you can do this on both Windows and Mac computers. So, we are going to watch about the how to host your own website for free.
Method 1. Preparing to host a website.
First is make sure your internet service contract allows hosting. Many internet service providers, ISPs, expressly forbid home hosting. This shouldn't be an issue if your site only generates a few hits per month. Any kind of significant traffic will draw attention to your site.
Step 2. Ensure that your equipment can handle hosting.
In order to host a website, you must have a computer on and connected to the internet 24 hours per day. This is easier to accomplish with a secondary, older computer than it is with your primary computer.
Step 3. Update your computer.
Make sure that your computer is up to date with the latest operating system, security features, and drivers. Make sure you update your Windows computer or update your Mac computer before continuing.
Step 4. Move your website's source code onto your computer.
If your website's source code isn't already in a file on your computer, copy it from your web services settings into a text document. If you haven't yet programmed your website, you'll need to do so before continuing.
Finally, download the MAMP program.
MAMP is a free website hosting application that works on both Windows and Mac machines. To download MAMP, go to https://www.info.n.
Method 2. Setting up hosting on Windows. First is double-click the MAMP setup icon.
It looks like a white elephant on a gray background.
Step 2. Click Yes when prompted.
This will open the MAMP installer.
Step 3. Complete the setup process.
To do so, select a language and click. Uncheck the MAMP Pro box and click. Check I accept, and click. Click 3 times, then click.
Step 4. Go to your website's source code document.
While MAMP is installing, find the document on your computer that you pasted the website's source code into earlier. To do so, click the Documents folder in File Explorer's left-hand sidebar.
Step 5. Copy the source code document.
Press Ctrl and C at the same time to copy the selected source code document.
Step 6. Double-click the MAMP icon.
It resembles a white elephant on a gray background. Make sure you aren't clicking the setup icon here.
Step 7. Click Cancel when prompted.
You'll see a warning about port 80 appear. Clicking on the warning window dismisses it.
Step 8. Click Preferences.
This gear-shaped icon is on the left side of the MAMP window. Doing so opens the Preferences window.
Step 9. Click the Ports tab.
It's at the top of the Preferences window.
Step 10. Click Set MAMP ports to default.
This button is in the middle of the page. Doing so will reset the ports that MAMP uses, which will resolve the port 80 error.
Step 11. Click the Web Server tab.
It's at the top of the Preferences window.
Step 12. Click Open.
This button is near the bottom of the window.
Step 13. Paste the source code document into the folder.
Press Ctrl and V at the same time. The source code document will appear in the MAMP root folder.
Step 14. Click OK on the MAMP window.
This will save your settings.
Step 15. Close and reopen MAMP.
Click in the bottom left corner of the MAMP window, then double-click the MAMP icon to reopen MAMP.
Finally, click Start Servers.
Your website should now be live. People can access it by entering your public IP address into a search engine. You cannot use your local IP address to view the website from your own network.
Method 3. Setting up hosting on Mac. First is double-click the MAMP setup file.
It resembles a brown box. If you receive a warning message that says the file can't be opened, verify the download before continuing.
Step 2. Complete the MAMP installation process.
To do so, click on each of the first 3 pages. Click, then click enter your Mac's username and password, then click.
Step 3. Wait for MAMP to finish installing.
This process will likely take around 5 minutes.
Step 4. Open Finder.
Click the blue, face-shaped app in your Mac's dock.
Step 5. Go to your website's source code document.
You may have to click through several folders to get to the document. Click the folder in which the source code document that you copied or created earlier is located.
Step 6. Copy the document.
Click the document to select it, then click and click.
Step 7. Click Applications.
This folder is on the far left side of the Finder window.
Step 8. Double-click the MAMP folder.
It's in the middle of the folder.
Step 9. Double-click the htdocs folder.
You'll find this folder in the middle of the folder. This folder is where your website's resources, including the source code document, go.
Step 10. Paste the source code document into this folder.
Click, then click.
Step 11. Open MAMP.
You may have to type MAMP into Spotlight to find it. Click the MAMP icon, which resembles a white elephant on a gray background.
Step 12. Click Preferences.
This gear-shaped icon is on the far left side of the MAMP window. If you receive an error window, first click to exit the window.
Step 13. Click the Ports tab.
It's at the top of the Preferences window.
Step 14. Click the Set to Default button.
You'll find this in the middle of the tab. Doing so resets the ports that MAMP uses, which will prevent your website from being blocked by your router's default firewall.
Step 15. Click OK.
It's at the bottom of the page. This saves your settings.
Step 16. Close and reopen MAMP.
Click, then click the MAMP icon again to reopen MAMP.
Finally, click Start Servers.
Your website should now be live. People can access it by entering your public IP address into a search engine. You cannot use your local IP address to view the website from your own network.
We hope it is useful to you. Please subscribe to our channel to upskill yourself.